Hey guys, today we have 2-in-1 video because I will show you my favorite crypto exchange that allows you to copy trade best traders without KYC, and also a platform that allows you to get huge cashback on all your trading fees. So if you're serious about trading, you have to watch the video till the end. But first of all, as usual, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So first up, I'm talking about BloFin crypto exchange. I have been using this exchange for many years, and if you've been following my channel, I have been referencing BloFin a lot of times because, first of all, for the basic account, they don't require you KYC, and right now with all the different regulations, it's really hard to find a quality exchange with quality tokens, with quality safety, without super strict KYC rules. And so far, BloFin is really good. For the basic account, no KYC, and of course, because this is a regulated platform, if you plan to do some bigger exchanges and bigger trades, there's gonna be some regulation and of course some KYCs. But I really like this platform because they're super quick to add new tokens. So if there's some new hype, for example, with the AI and right now with Robinhood and whatever, BloFin is really quick to react and add these tokens to their exchange. So you can actually trade these trending tokens with a really good SEX platform, not some shady third-party terminal. Also, they have really great copy trading platform right here. If you click on copy trading, you can find lots of really great profitable traders and just copy their strategy. But again, for all of these things, for buying these early tokens, for copying professional traders, you will do lots of different trades. And of course, all of these trades have fees. And if you're serious about cryptocurrency, blockchain, about trading long term, these fees will add up to pretty big amount. That's why I want to show you a platform called TetherBack, which has a really great name, actually explains what it does. Basically, it gives you the fees back. So, for example, if you sign up using my affiliate link, I get the fees. But with TetherBack, they partnered up with lots of these exchanges. And if you sign up to TetherBack and also sign up using their affiliate link, you can get a really huge cashback, actually a really huge cashback. And today I'm going to show you a full tutorial how it actually works. So first of all, if you click on exchanges, you can see all the different partner exchanges. For example, with BloFin, you're getting 50% cashback, and you can also see all the different fees. For Bitfinex, you get 60% cashback, and again, you can check out all the different partners of the platform. But for this example, as I mentioned, I'm using BloFin full-time, so I want to get cash back on BloFin. So first of all, we have to sign up on the TetherBack platform. Click sign up. It's a really simple process. Add email and create a password. Then once we're in, you're going to see this dashboard. They're welcoming you to the dashboard, and we have to add our exchange. To do that, you have to sign up on the exchange you like using their referral link. So connect your first exchange. We're using BloFin. Let's click BloFin, register on BloFin, and this will open their affiliate link. So this is a really simple process. Again, we have to sign up right now on BloFin. You can see they're partner with TetherBack. So let's put in our email, verify our email, confirm. For now, because we are doing it as a demo, let's keep it at a low level. Of course, if you're serious, you have to upgrade your safety level. And next up, once you sign up, you need to find your user ID. To do that, you can hover on your icon, and you can see UID, and this is your number. Just copy this number, go back to TetherBack, paste in your UID, and connect exchange. And voila, you just connected your first exchange. You can see my BloFin account, my UID, when did I connect, and on that you will see all the cashbacks you're getting. So now when I use BloFin to trade, to copy trade, to do futures, I'm getting a huge cashback on all my trades, which is basically saving you lots of cash long term. And if you ask me how much, you can jump in actually to the TetherBack website. They have a calculator. So let's go for BloFin, select the initial margin, leverage 20x, trades per day, for example, 10 trades per day, and you can see how much you're getting in the cash. Again, it will really depend on how serious of a trader you are, how much you're trading, how much you're using leverage. But again, if you're not sure, just select the platform you like to use, put in the initial margin, put in the leverage you're using, how many trades you like to do. For example, if you do like only 5 trades a day, how much money you would save by simply using TetherBack. So guys, the link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.